this video, I'm going to show you how to create invoice with just a few clicks using Canva.com, a leading tool for graphic design. You can access the website by clicking the link in the description box below. After you log into the website, you can go to Templates, and under Business, you can click Invoice. You will then be presented with hundreds of templates to choose from. So you can pick any of these templates. Let's try to pick one. Here. Then we click here to confirm our chosen template. You will now then be redirected to a page where you can customize the design. So you can do that by accessing this left side panel tools. You could add photos, add elements, and even change your text. So if you want to zoom in to have a better view, you could click here and change. There we go. It's now more readable. So you could change your text by just clicking on it and change the content and change the details. So after you're done with your edits and you're happy with it, you can now hit this download button to download your invoice. You could also change your file type. So right now it's on PDF print, as suggested, but you could also change that if you wanted to. But for now, let's just stick to what is being suggested. Click download, and now it's preparing your design. There we go. So you can now use your invoice and you can send it to your employer or whoever needs it. So creating invoices is now fun and easy using Canva.com. But if you want it to be done professionally, you could also choose Singularity. Check out the description box below for more info. Thank you all for watching and see you guys next time.